Hello, welcome to Fix It Tony. Today is another doorstop day. If you look at my other video, I talked to you about these hinge mounted doorstops. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out to you is that on this particular glass door, I have one on each hinge pin because I have a glass door that has to go right up against a piece of furniture. And you can see that there is a bounce, so there is some protection, but again, these kinds of brackets are not very good at stopping a door. And I don't want to cause the door not to open fully. I used to have a doorstop on the floor, mounted on the floor. It was only held, as you can see here, by one screw. I had accidentally broken it off when I was moving this cabinet, this really heavy cabinet, and I was shifting it, and I had forgotten that the doorstop was there, and I broke the screw right off, and I sheared it off. So today I'm going to replace that door floor stopper with another door stopper. This one's a little better quality because it has a pin that will resist that damage. Or that shearing off of the screw like it was. So I only have the one hole, so that's gonna be for the screw. So I have to, because I think that's a good spot, but I have to locate and drill through my floor this pin. Now, I'm pretty sure this hole will be fine because this is the new screw. And yeah, all right. So I'm happy with how that's going in. Thankfully the hole that's already there isn't too large. So something is going in my direction. So what I do need to measure is I'm going to use the metric system today. I want millimeters. So I'm going to eyeball the center of that shaft is 21, 22, 25, 26, 27, 27 millimeters-ish. So I need to measure 27 millimeters. I'm going to use the crack in the floor as a guide. 27 millimeters is about there. And that way and that way. Okay. So you can see my mark. Now, I found a bit that is going to work, I think, by lining it up. That's how I measured. I could have used calipers, but why make an extra trip to the toolbox? I have a punch. This is Brazilian cherry floor, and it is very hard. So that is not enough for me to locate with confidence. Because if you look at, when drill bits get pretty wide like this one, you're gonna look at the tip here, and it's pretty wide, like almost 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/16. And if you try to find the center of the drill bit into that punched hole right there, the drill bit can still weeble wobble. So that's why I'm going to use a tapered drill bit, very sharp point. It's a pilot drill bit, and I'm going to drill this hole first. Make sure you're square to the floor. You can see how it smokes. That's how hard that wood is. It is a good 3/4 of an inch thick. Now, I'm gonna eyeball, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, so now let's see if this fits. It's a little bit tight. One way to cheat is to wobble the drill bit in the hole. There. And you can see that I'm lined up pretty well. Now, what I'm gonna do is vacuum the floor. There it is. Now, let me step back. I'm going to adjust my camera angle. And then I'm going to open the door. And let's see if we can capture the point of impact and see what we did. Perfect. That's what happens. So as this door hits, it's going to hit right against this bumper. So this is another episode of Fix It Tony, installing a floor doorstop on a hardwood floor that a glass door can strike against to keep the door from banging against furniture. Please like this video. I appreciate new subscribers. Please share my channel with your friends and family. Perhaps we can all learn from each other. Add some comments to any of my videos. I'm always willing to learn and interested in learning from others' experiences. Thank you. Bye.